Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you the latest item that I got from SEZANE, and I am also going to make a comparison between them. And those items are the Will jacket. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are and how the comparison will be, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So before I get into the video, just want to let you know that I did an unboxing of this item. I'm going to put the card just right there as well as the link in the description down below. You can go check it out so you can see how these items were packaged and how it looks like when I have unboxed them. And I'm also going to put this video in different chapters. First of all, I'm going to reveal and show you the item, and I am going to give you the specs and details of the Will jacket, as well as I'm going to give you my first impression of what I think about it, and also the reason why I got this specific item. And then at the end, I'm going to do a comparison between the two sizes that I got, and also a quick mug shot with another item that I have purchased before, but I send it back, and you will see. I'll get into the details afterwards. So let's head on to the video. So now I'm going to start off by showing you the item first. So this is how the Will jacket looks like in the front. So I have unbuttoned it. The one that I'm currently showing you is the size small, and then on the side and the back looks like so, and then the inside, this is, as you can see, unlined. So that's how it looks like, and that's how the color looks like. So concerning the details and specs of the jacket itself, so this is the Will jacket. It is from SEZANE. Just to let you know, the one that I got is in Camel Suede, and this currently retails for 230 euros. This jacket also exists in different colors. You can go check out the website, and it does exist also in different sizes. I think starting from extra small or even extra small up to extra large. So you have really all the sizes that you need. As for the description of the product itself, so this is actually an oversized jacket. It has, as you can see in here, a very classic color. It has large side pockets, so on each side. And then, as you can see in here, for the suede one though, it has a button fastening, and this is how the buttons looks like. And the small one, the length from the shoulder, as you can see in here, it is 73.5 centimeters, so it's roughly around 28.7 inches. Then as for the details and composition, so the main fabric is 100% goat leather, and it is made in India. As for the care instruction, I will highly advise you to check on the SEZANE website. It's nicely detailed there how you can take care of the garment itself. So now I'm just going to give you my first impression of the jacket itself. Again, I have in here the size small. As for the feeling, softness, to be honest, it is very soft. I think like most of the suede items in itself, but this one, to be honest, it is very buttery soft. I hope that you'll be able to touch it because it's really creamy. And then as for the smell, oh my god, I love the smell. You can really smell the leather, and the fact that it is suede, it is empowering, and I like it, to be honest. I do like it. As for the finishing, when I look on the stitches and how it was, made, nothing bad to say. Everything is nicely finished. And then as for the buttons as well, I have checked it out. They are nicely stitched. as well as the inside. Even though there is no lining, I think that's what really appealed to me, the fact that the jacket is unlined, and that gives the suppleness of the fabric itself. And then I'm just going to have a look on the extra small. So in here now, what I have is the extra small, and same thing as the size small. The finishing also is perfect, same texture, feeling of the texture of the leather itself. It's also very smooth, flowy, and then the finishing, same as this size small, no difference at all, and also the stitching on the buttons as well. So all in all, both will jacket in the size extra small as well as in the size small, they are nicely finished. You know, the stitching are nicely done for both of them. So no worries about it. If you buy an extra small or a small one, at least in my case, both of them are great. The only difference though is, as you can see, of course, since this is suede, it has different style of finishing when you touch them, which I think it's quite normal with the kind of fabric it is. So all in all, I'm very satisfied of how this two ended up looking like. And now I'm just going to share with you the reason why I have opted for the will jacket. To be honest, this jacket wasn't at all in my radar, because I was like, I don't need that kind of jacket, in short. But then afterwards, I kind of like seeing it on Instagram, as well as, you know, the ads from SEZANE, and I was like, it is quite nice, especially it's kind of like in a trend style, since it's suede and it is in camel, because I was really just, you know, attracted. Once I have looked on the wool jacket, I was just attracted on the suede one, even though, like I mentioned earlier, it does exist in different colors. Maybe after having this one, I might be tempted to get other colors, but I wanted to start with the suede one, because the suede one was really the one that caught my eye once I have started taking, you know, interest in it. And when I kind of like starting to decide to get one, I was in between sizes, meaning that I was hesitant to take either an extra small or a small, because as all of you know, in general, when I buy jackets, you know, my trench coats from SEZANE, my cardigans, even my shirts from SEZANE, all of them are in the size small and 36. I think I only have one or two that is in extra small or 34, but all in all, most of them are in the region of 36 and small. But since this is an oversized jacket, I was like, you know, I was afraid that if I take the small one, it might be too large. So that's why I opted to take an extra small. And all in all, in short, I have been able to grab both of them when it was available, because to be honest, this color combo, it is always out of stock. So when it went online, both of the sizes, I took them, and it was a pre-order, to be honest. I think currently it's still also a pre-order, so I have waited, I think, at least a month before getting them. So it has arrived a month after I have ordered them, both of them. So that's why I am sharing it with you now, the size extra small and small, and I will let you know which one I'll be keeping. So now I am going to do just a quick mug shot and comparison of the will jacket in the size extra small and small. I will first show you how the extra small looks like on me, and then afterwards I'm going to show you how the small looks like on me, and then at the end I'm going to show you a mug shot of another will jacket in the size medium, and I'll give you the details afterwards. So let's start off with the size extra small. Okay, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this one is a size extra small. I'm just going to show it to you. So as you can see there, this is a size extra small in suede. So I am in all black and gray. So this is how it would look like if you wear something similar in this color combo. So this is how the small looks like on me. So this is how it looks like in front, on the side, and then the back looks like so. On the other side, and then up the front. So this is when it's opened. If I button it up, I think it will be okay as well. But as you can see, this doesn't look like an oversized jacket. The extra small for me, I think it's more of a shirt style. So especially if I close it, it will look like a shirt. And even on the side, the length is perfect for a shirt style. And then when I do it like this, you know, I can feel that it's kind of like tight here. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but yeah. So the extra small, the size is great, perfect if I wanted the jacket to be a shirt style. So yeah, but I think it's fine, right? Now I'm going to show you how the small looks like on me. Okay, so now this is the small one. I'm going to show you in details. So as you can see there, that's the small one, size small. And when I put it, there you have it. Let me just... Now, this is the size small, and I think the size small is really more of a jacket style. So this is how it looks like up front. This is how it looks like on the side, on the back, on the other side, and then there you have it. So close, I can close it, and then I can leave it open as well, like the size extra small. But as you can see, the size small, unlike the extra small, it is a lot longer because the extra small was like up in here, but the small one is a little bit longer. So that's why when I put like so, you can see there are some ruffles. But then again, this is a jacket, an oversized jacket. And I purchased this to wear as a jacket. So I think you kind of like getting the idea which one I'll be keeping. And yeah, indeed, I will be keeping the size small because the size small, it's really to wear as a jacket, which was my first intention. I can also, you know, put it like so, and it's perfect as well. I can just wear a t-shirt like I have right now. I can wear also a chunkier sweater underneath, but I think it will be a little bit tight here, but still I have more versatility, I think, if I take the small one instead of the extra small. And I can still wear it as well as a shirt if I really want to, but it will be, you know, an oversized kind of like shirt. So all in all, yeah, both of them are great, but if I want to go on the jacket style and versatility wise, I think I will go with the small one. I hope you agree with me. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Put it there. I'll be happy and interested to read what you think about it. So there you have it. That is the size small of the Will jacket. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm currently doing some mod shots between the Will jacket camel suede in extra small, the Will jacket camel suede in small, as well as the Will jacket in the color blue in cotton in the size medium, and this one is from Les Octobre, so in the male section. So as you can see the difference between the extra small in suede in comparison with the cotton in the medium size. The medium size was actually something that I got for my hubby, but at the end of the day it was too tight for him, so we sent it back. But I just tried it out just to show it to you guys how the medium looks like. I don't know if the medium from SEZANE is the same as the medium from Octobre, but I think it's kind of like the same. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, but I just tried it so I can show it to you how it looks like on me, the extra small, the small, as well as the medium. There you have it, my loves. That was my input on the SEZANE Will jacket. So in short, the one that I'll be keeping is the one in size small. I think with how I want to wear this piece, the size small is the one that's really going to give me more versatility, because first of all, I want to wear it as a jacket. So the size small is a more jacket style, unlike the extra small is a more on a shirt style. And then with the size small, I can also wear some chunky sweaters underneath it, so I can wear it longer. I mean, in more seasons than the extra small. And at the same time, since I can close it, I can also wear it as a shirt, but of course an oversized shirt. So I think I can play more with the size small than with the size extra small. Although if I was, planning to have it or wear it as a shirt, just for a shirt style, I think I will definitely go with the extra small. But in this case, since I want more versatility, I want different ways to wear it, casually and maybe even formal style, I think I can have those different types of styling with the size small. Let me know what you think about it. What you think about my decision? You can put it in the comment section down below, and I'll be really happy to see what you think about. I hope also that this video has helped some of you out there who are kind of like in the same situation like I was, debating between two sizes. Oh yeah, by the way, my dimension and everything are also all mentioned in the description down below, so you can go check it out so you know what my size is. So yeah, apart from that, I hope that this video has also entertained you, and if that was the case, please give this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And then for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future video. And then lastly, I want to thank you all for always tuning in, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Until then, I hope you all stay safe and see you then. Bye!